How to download and install app in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device in order to download any app on your device, and then go to the search bar and search for whichever application you would want to download. For here, I'm going to tap on the X Twitter application over here. And as you can see, you have an install button, so tap on install and it will start installing the application on your device. You just have to make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device so that the process of downloading and installing the application becomes faster. Now after getting it installed, all you have to do is tap on open and it will lead you to the homepage of the application on your device. And here you just have to make sure that you can create an account if you do not have, and if you already have an account, you can just tap on the login option over here. Since I already have an account, I'm going to tap on login, and then I'm just going to mention my login credentials over here, and then I'll be able to log into my X Twitter account over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.